Hey, what's going on guys? My name is Alex. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to download Minecraft for free. You may ask, why are you making this video? I'm making this video because Minecraft is getting revived right now, and millions of people want to play Minecraft to see how it is in 2019 and play their first childhood game that they have ever played. And yeah, let's start. So what you need to have are these two right here: Minecraft installer and MC-Leaks authenticator. I'm gonna leave the links, of course, in the description. And the first one is going to be minecraft.net, the official website of Minecraft, and then MC-Leaks here. Once you click the first link, minecraft.net, it's going to be click download here, and it's going to show this Minecraft installer. And after that, go to the mcleaks.net, and here go to the authenticator up in the top. Then scroll down where it has these two download options. If you have Windows, click the first one, and if you have macOS, click the second one. I have Windows, so that's what it should look like. For macOS, I don't know if it's the same icon and text right here, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be the same. And right now we do not need Minecraft. We will need MC-Leaks in 4 to 5 minutes. So what you need to do right now, install Minecraft. Just click the installer, then click here next. Choose where you want to download Minecraft. I'm gonna leave it default. Then click next, and then again install. And after that says use account control, just click yes. And mine, it took only 2 seconds because I have already installed Minecraft. Yours, it will take about 2 to 3 minutes, but mine took only 2 seconds. And after it has finished the installation, just click finish. And here it says downloading update files. So this is not going to take 2 minutes. It's going to take about 2 to 5 minutes. And yeah, I will see you in 2 to 5 minutes. Okay guys, I'm back, and this is what you need to have when it has finished installing the Minecraft launcher. And you will see right here it says email or username and password. You will say I do not have a premium Minecraft account, so what do I do? So that's why we have MC-Leaks authenticator and the get account in the mcleaks.net website. I will talk this about in a minute. So what you need to do right now, open the MC-Leaks authenticator, just click yes again. And here it says choose authentication server. By default it's going to be Mojang, and you need to change it to MC-Leaks. Just click MC-Leaks, and it will show you successfully switched to MC-Leaks. Please restart your Minecraft after changing the authentication server. Just close Minecraft and reopen it. You do not need the MC-Leaks authenticator anymore. So what you need to do right now to get an account, go back to the MC-Leaks website and go to the get account up here in the top. And it will show you a random premium Minecraft account, and I'm gonna get a new one right now. And as you can see, it says here auto token expires in 15 minutes. If you get a Minecraft account and you want to play for like an hour, you just copy the auto token, then go to the renew alt and put the auto token that you have used for your Minecraft account, if that makes any sense. So what you need to do right now to log into this account, just copy the alt token, just click here. And if you want a new other premium Minecraft account, just wait for 1 minute, as it says right here. And after you have copied the alt token, go back to the Minecraft launcher, Control V right here, or right click and paste, and put whatever password you want. I'm gonna put 1 2 3 4 5 6. I shouldn't be telling you that, but I'm not going to use this account. So if you want to use this account right here, it does not need a specific password. Just put whatever password you want. I put 1 2 3 4 5 6, and if I click login, it's going to log into the account. And as you see here, it says smell by, I think this is how you pronounce it. And right now click play to download the required files. Yours will take about 5 minutes. Mine, it took only 1 second because I have already downloaded Minecraft and all the required files, and we're just going to wait. So the issue right now with getting these alt tokens, you're not the only one using the one account. I think thousands of people use the same account, and if you log into a public Minecraft server, you will get banned 100% sure. We're gonna wait for a bit to load right now. Whatever Minecraft account you use from mcleaks.net, I'm pretty sure it would already get banned from Hypixel, CubeCraft, and all of these popular servers. And as you can see, it has loaded. And if we go to multiplayer and go to Hypixel, I'm 100% sure this account has been banned already for like 50 days. Yeah, as you can see right here, you're temporarily banned for 220 days. So like if you want to find an account that has not been banned, it's going to be a bit impossible. And if we go to CubeCraft, I'm pretty sure it's going to work. No, it's already permanently banned. So like finding an account which has been unbanned, it's going to be really hard. And if you want to just play with your friends, like in a private server, I'm pretty sure you can play with that. But in like these very popular servers, I'm pretty sure you cannot, because 99% you will get banned. And that's the video, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any video ideas, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to make them in the future. If you have any problems, tell me in the comment section and I'll try to help you as much as possible. And thanks for watching, guys. Like, subscribe and share, and I'll see you in my next video. See you.